Welcome. My name is Professor Abidal Jafar Sheikh from Parvatibai Genba Mose College of Engineering, Waguli, Pune. Today we are going to see instance variable in a Java. Now, what is instance variable? Instance variable is a variable defined inside the class but outside the method or constructor or any other block. Instance variable are created when object is created with the keyword new. So when you create new object, instance variable is created, and it is also destroyed when object is destroyed. Access modifier can be given to the instance variable. We have seen that for local variable we cannot use access modifier, like public, private, protected. These are the access modifiers that can be applied to the instance variable, not to the local variable. Instance variable are visible for all method, constructor and block. Normally it is recommended to declare instance variable as a private. Instance variable have default values. For number, for example, a default value is 0. For boolean it's a false, and for object reference it's a null. Value assigned to instance variable at the time of a declaration or within the constructor. Instance variable can be accessed directly by calling the variable name inside the class, but inside the static method you have to use fully qualified name, that is object reference dot variable name. This is the example of this. Here I have declared one class employee, and inside that I have declared one instance variable salary. Double is the data type of that salary, and you can see that salary variable is inside the class but outside any other method. So salary is inside the class, so it's inside the class but outside any method, and you are directly accessing salary here, this salary variable, as this is an instance variable. And here in main method we have created object employee1 new employee and set salary. Set salary method is public method. This is also instance method. It assign salary, employee salary, to the salary instance variable. Then print employee, printing the salary. Now we will check this practically. For that we will use notepad. So first define public class employee. Inside employee we will declare one double salary is a variable. Then we will define set salary public void set salary. Here also double emp salary. This is instance variable, and we will declare salary is equal to this employee salary. So we have seen that this emp salary is a parameter, and salary emp salary is a parameter that is passed to this method, and this salary is an instance variable. Now we will print this public void print emp, print emp. Here we will print this system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println salary salary, emp salary is equal to salary. Now we will write a main method, public static void main string args. This is the signature of main method. Now I will create first object of employee. So employee obj is equal to new employee. So here the line where we create the object of the employee class. So at this time when object is created, this salary variable initialized to 0, and we can set salary obj dot set salary. We will set it to the 1000, and then we will print the salary obj dot print employee. We will save this, save as online today 17 employee dot java save. Now we have to compile this. Didn't java c employee dot java successfully compiled. Java employee, employee salary is 1000. This is the output. Employee salary is 1000. We will perform space and compile. Employee salary is 1000. Now if we access here before, or if we don't set this salary, a default value will be printed, that is 0.0 default value. If we declare this as an integer salary, here also we have to declare integer salary, and if we print salary, then it will print 0. Compile is print 0. You can make it as a private also. Private means it's not going to access outside this class, but it can be accessed inside the class. It's advised to make an instance variable a private. Now if you try to access this salary variable directly inside this main method, check what happens. If I try to print this inside the main, if I try to print inside this main method, then it will throw error. Why? Because this salary is an instance variable and we are directly accessing inside the static main method. Only static content can be accessed inside this main method. So it will throw error that non-static variable cannot be accessed from static content. So salary is a non-static variable. That means this is not a static, as it is a instance variable. So to access this salary, you require object. So this is object obj dot salary. So in a main method, you can access this like this using. Thank you for watching this video.